Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we use the color of red and now we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw A and the next one is B. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I for eyes. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. And the next one is L. L for lion. Subscribe to our channel. M for moon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw N. And the next one is O. Kids, now we use the color of red. P for penguin. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. Kids, now we use the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for snake. The next one is T. We are again use yellow color and now we draw U. And the next one is V. V for vanilla. W. And the next one is X. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, the next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. Now we draw 2. And the next one is 3. The number of 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now we draw 5. And the next one is 6. S-I-X 6. 7. Now we draw 8. The next one is 9. And the last one is 10. The number of 10. Today we draw numbers and alphabets. Thank you so much for watching.